Plastic, the wonder material that we use so extensively and so carelessly, has become a major threat to all forms of life and also the environment.
It finds its way into the stomachs of all living beings, causing death and diseases. It prevents percolation of water into the earth, forms islands in oceans, clogs drainage systems, and causes unimaginable damage in almost all spheres of life. What we have produced and used in the last few decades will take up to 1000 years to degrade. In this project, we have created some useful objects using waste plastic. Here are many decorative items made using plastic. This can be used as lamps or flower pots.
Then we have items of household use. Here we have broom made by making thin strips of plastic bottle. We have pen stand made using waste. Plastic spoon. And we have containers for holding brushes. Doll in kitchen and pencil box. And we can make a simple torch and lamp with good insulation using some of the waste. And finally, you can relax. Normally, 3 inches of soil is sufficient to grow coriander, methi, and such other green leafy vegetables. Make your own kitchen garden and grow your organic food.
Here we have a turbine made using plastic bottles. As the bottle is pushed inside, the air is pushed out from the nozzle, rotating the fans. This is a simple water dispenser. The pressure from water keeps the dispenser locked. When the button is pushed up, water is released. This wave model is created using waste CD drives, straws, and some beads. The beads are arranged and we can see many types of waves in this model.
We cannot undo the damage, but we can reduce use of plastic, reuse and recycle.